Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to the math class. So children, let's see today's date and day. So today, the day is Friday and today is 29th of October 2021. So before going to the class, let us see what we are going to do today. So in today's class, we are dealing with your third book, that is mental maths book, because it's Friday. So all of you open unit 9. The name of the chapter is measurement. We have done many things from this chapter and we are left over with a few things only. So in today's class, we will do page number 85 and 86. Okay, so let us proceed to our class and let us see the introduction, what we are going to do in today's class. So children, in today's class we will do measuring capacity. Okay, in today's class we will do measuring capacity. So we have learned about measuring length, yes, where we used unit like centimeter, meters, millimeter, kilometers. Again, after that we did measuring weight, yes, where we use the weight like grams and kilograms. We also learned 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. We learned that 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram. We did the exercises from that part also, yes. So in today's class we will do measuring capacity. So you know, whatever the liquid things are there, yes, liquid means like your water, juices, fluids also even. So they are measured in capacity. So you can see that it's a water bottle, yes, it's a half filled water bottle. So you know this, the capacity of this water bottle is 1 liter. Okay, so if I fill the water bottle fully, the water inside the water bottle, I will say that it's a 1 liter water bottle. So when I complete drinking the water, I will say that I have drank 1 liter of water. If I drank 2 times 2 bottle, at that time I will say I have drank 2 liter of water. So all this capacity, all these liquids are measured. When we measure it, we will say it, we are measuring the capacity of the container. Okay, so let us see what is capacity and what are the units for measuring capacity. So when you measure the liquid or the fluid things in very little amount, it is known as, we measure it with the unit milliliter. Okay, when we take in very small amount, we measure the liquid in ml, and when we measure the liquids in a high amount, at that time we will take the unit liter. Like I told you that if I am drinking 1 bottle of my water, that will be I am drinking 1 liter of water. But if like your eye drops, yes, sometimes we use eye drops, ear drops, those eye drops, ear drops we use in very small amount, so we measure those in milliliter. Understood? So next you can see that when you increase the amount of ml, like 500 ml, 500 ml means little more amount of liquid is there. Okay, so 1 liter means more amount of liquid, but when we say 1 ml, that is very less amount of liquids. So liquids are measured in milliliter and liter. So containers and capacity, you know that every day we drink milk, yes. Now we don't have milk in cows in our house, so we take packets milk, yes. So usually the capacity of a packet is either 1 liter. Okay, there is 1 liter of milk, otherwise half liter of milk. So milk or whatever comes in the packet, juices, whatever juices you are drinking, that also has its own capacity and it is measured in ml. Otherwise, if you are taking big bottles of Coke, big bottles of Maaza, it will be coming in liters. And your buckets, when you take bath and when you fill water in the bucket, the capacity of bucket is usually 10 liter to 15 liters. Okay, so tank, water tank, yes, you all have water tank at your homes. So this water tanks, it has a capacity of nearly 500 liter to 1000-2000 liters. So all these containers have their own capacity to fill liquids in it. So children, just remember this one, 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Understood? 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. That means 1000. You need 1000 ml to make 1 liter. That means half liter means 500 ml. Quarter of liter means 250 ml. It will go on so. Okay. So if you want to make 1 liter and if you have 500 ml of container, you have to take two full bottle of 500 ml to make 1 liter, because 500 plus 500 1000. Yes, so in this way just remember 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Like for example we have done 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Okay, so let us proceed to our class, children. We will do this page relating milliliters and liters from this page, and we will do the next page 86. Here different images are given and the questions are given from 1 to 7. We will solve this question from 1 to 7. So let us proceed to our class. Children, you can see in the right hand side of the page out here, this one, making 1 liter. There are 4 different containers. One has a capacity of 500 ml, another 250 ml, another 125, and the last 100 milliliter. So write how many containers are needed to make 1 liter and color the boxes accordingly. Write the total capacities in milliliter. Together each set holds dash ml. So you have to color. Okay, so one has been done for you. 500 ml means 500 plus 500, that is equal to 1000. I have already told you 1 liter means 1000 ml. So we need 2 container of 500 ml. Now 250. Yes, 1000 we have to make 250 into 4 equals to 1000. So what you will do, you will color 1 box, 2 box, 3 box and 4th box, because I have already told you, you have to make 1000 ml for 1 liter. So 250 into 4 equals to 1000 ml. That is why we are using 4 containers of 250. Now 125. 125 means 125. If you have to take 125 ml of container, you have to take 8 containers. Okay, because 125, if you add it, if you keep it on adding, or if you multiply with 8, that will be 8 5s are 40, 8 to the 16 plus 4 20, and 8 was the 8 10. So that will be equal to 1000. So you can color it how many times? How many 125 containers you need? You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 containers. So for 100, now 100, it's very easy to make 1000 from 100. How many containers, 100 ml container you need? Yes, you need 10, because 100 into 10 are 1000. So when you are taking 100 ml of container, you need 10 such containers, or you can fill 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to color all the 10 boxes because you need 10 containers. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. Now all together each set holds how many ml? Together each set is holding 1000 ml. 1000 ml means 1000 ml. When we make it together each set is, when we take 4 times, 8 times, 10 times, 2 times. So together each set is holding 1000 ml, that is equal to 1 liter. Which container holds exactly 1/2 of a liter? We know that 500 ml container. So you will write 500 ml here. Okay. Quarter of a liter, 1/4 means 4 times. Yes, you need 4 times. So that will be 250 ml of a container. 1/10, you know this very well. 1/10 means 100 ml of a container. Okay. Now write a combination of a container that makes exactly 1/2 of a liter. So you can write the combination of a container. You can take 250 ml plus 125 ml plus 125 ml. You can take any other container also. okay, for making 500 ml, but here I am taking 250 ml. 125 ml plus 125 ml, that will be equal to 500 ml. 500 ml means half of a liter. 500 ml is half liter. So hope this one is clear to you all. So let us move to the next question. Look at the following pictures and fill in the blanks. So container dash and container dash contain the same amount of water. If you see here also 2 liter plus 2 liter plus 2 liter. So here it is also 6 liter. Here 2 liter plus 2 liter plus 1 liter plus 1 liter. Here also there is 6 liter. So container A and container B holds same amount of water, that is 6 liter. Yes. Container C contains dash liters of water. Now let us count. 2 liter, 4 liter, 6 liter, 7, 8, 9 liter, 10, 11, 12 liter, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So container C holds 18 liters of water. Container A holds dash liters of water altogether. I have already told you container A holds 6 liters. Yes, if you count it, that will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 liters of water altogether. Two containers A and B hold 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 liters of water altogether. So this one is easier one, children. Now let us move to the next page. You can see the image over there. Water 300 ml, apple juice 1000 ml, mango drink 500 ml, milk 600 ml and orange juice 250 ml. So Chayan drank 6 bottles of water during the day. How many milliliter did he drink? So 6 bottles of water he drinks. So each bottle it is 300. So you know that 300 into 6 equals to 1800 ml. Yes, you have to just multiply looking at the picture. So what you will write here? How much water he drank? You will not write directly the answer. You will write 300 into 6 equals to 1800 ml. Okay. Now number B, how many ml more, how many milliliter more than 1 liter he drank? So you know that 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So when you subtract it, it will be 1800 minus 1000. So how many answer will be? The answer will be he drank 800 ml more water. Now Shubham drank 3 orange juices during the day. How many milliliters he drank? So 3 orange juice. So you can see that orange juice, the capacity of orange juice is 250 ml. So 3 orange juice means how many ml he is drinking? 250 into 3. That is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. That is equal to 750 ml. Okay. Now next, how many milliliters less than liter he drink? It is like question number 1B only. So you will do it yourself. You just have to subtract 750 from 100. You will get the answer. So do it yourself. How many more milliliters of drink does the apple juice hold than the mango drink part? So apple juice, you can see 1000 ml is there, and mango juice it is 500 ml. Yes. So how many more apple juice is there? 1000 minus 500 equals to 1000. You will minus 500 equals to, we know it is 500 ml. 500 ml means how many? It is half a liter. Yes, it is the half of liter, because 500 into 2 equals to 1 liter. So 500 ml, that is equal to half liter. The carton of milk was poured equally in 4 glasses. You can see there is a milk of 600 ml. It was poured equally in the 4 glasses. How many milliliter of milk was there in each glass? Now here you have to divide 600 with 4, because we are pouring the carton of milk, 600 ml of milk in 4 glasses. So let us start dividing. 600, 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 2. We will bring this 0 down. 4 5s are 20. This 0 will come down. 4 zeros are 0. So each glass will have how many milk? 150 ml of milk. So hope till here everyone is clear. Now children, I have done till number 4. Which drink container holds half the capacity of apple juice glass? B. Milk. So apple juice glass, you can see 1000. Apple, which drink container holds half the capacity of the apple juice glass of the, so apple juice glass is 1000 ml, so it will be mango. Yes, so you will write mango, because mango has the capacity, mango juice bottle has the capacity of 500, and milk 600. So which drink containers? That will be water, because we have the water bottle of 300 ml only. That will be water. 600 divided by 2. So children, I have done till number 5 for you. 6 and 7 you will do it yourself. Okay. So hope children, whatever we have done in the class is clear to you all. If you attend the live class, it will be more clear. Okay. So I will see you all in the next class. Thank you everyone.